Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's scroll down again and find more security settings, and here tap on Install Unknown Apps. And as you can see, right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and obviously you can change it. Just tap on the app, the switcher next to the app. And from now on, since this option is active, the Chrome in my case is allowed to install some content, basically the apps. However, beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.